Hold me tight and don't let go. Don't let go. You have the right to lose control. Don't let go. In Vogue, I am not. Hi everyone, it's Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, we are starting Colourpop. I am so stinking excited. This is a project that I created like July, August of last year. And Danny from Danny's Makeup helped me name it. So I will have her linked in the description box down below. You hear me talk about Danny a lot. We've become really good friends and I really enjoy her friendship. So yeah, so this project is all about painting Colourpop 4th Ray or Soul Beauty. Is it called Soul Beauty? Whatever it's called. Soul Body? I don't know. Whatever it's called. So this is going to be a year-long project. It starts today, January 18th, and runs through January 17th of 2023. You can pick 3 to 6 products, rolling style. You set your own goals. And again, it can be Colourpop, 4th Ray, Soul. It's completely up to you. So if you would like to join us, just use the hashtag Colourpop here and over on Instagram. And I am following the hashtag on Instagram, so I will see you. But make sure you tag me, I'll do my best to comment on your post. And I will do my best to keep up with watching updates, etc. Okay, so I am going full blast and doing 6 products. One of them is kind of a couple of them are going to be a little bit boring, but some of them are not. So let's start with the first boring, and that is this. This is the Colourpop foundation in whatever their black color is. It's really hard to like show progress with this. So this is basically just going to be, I'm going to use it until I can't use it anymore. And then when it's empty, we'll talk about it as an empty. But yeah, and if you see dots, I've mentioned before, I am color coding all of my projects, and Colourpop just happens to be my favorite color, which is purple. Plus 50 Shades of Purple will be ending in a couple of months, so I don't have to worry about them being competing colors. So this is my first product, and my goal is to finish. Actually, everything in this project -1 is a goal to finish. Next is this. You're going to see me work through all of these that I have left. I think I only have 3 or 4. This is the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner. This one just happens to be in black. I'm not going to roll this up. This is not one that we are going to be able to track on a paper or anything, because if you didn't know, these are notorious for drying out. There have been several times where I've done one eye and I've gone to done the other eye and it just breaks and falls, like the whole thing will break and fall out. So these are basically a rip-off. I should have put these in the project. But anyway, my goal is going to be to finish this, and I'm going to work through, like I said, I know I have 2 blacks. I think I have a nude, and I may have 1 other color, but my goal is going to be to work through all of them. This is not something I would ever buy again in my life. The formula is good when it's new, but if you don't use it to completion when you open it, heads or tails, it may fall and break on you. So this is another one that's going to be used to completion. One that may be a little rough going is this. This is the Colourpop Lippy Stick in Boogie. It's a very deep purple. Kind of a deep purple berry color. And I'm going to mark this on the cap, I think. But my goal is going to be to finish this. I believe this is a matte formula. No, it's a satin. So that'll be a little bit easier, but I can't wear this on my cheeks as a blush. If you saw my 50 Shades of Purple, you know I rolled out the Fenty Cream Blush because it's purple and it just made me look like someone had hit me in the face. So this is basically going to have to be on my lips. My goal is to finish it. This may take me all year. This literally may take me all year, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, and you can see it stains. So, I mean, it's a beautiful color. Purple's my favorite color. I don't mind wearing deep dark purples, but it's going to take a while. It's going to take a while. Okay, let's talk about this. This is the Colourpop Cream Blush Stick in More is More. This is a beautiful pinky iridescent, kind of shifts from pink to gold. This looks beautiful with either NARS Orgasm or Tarte Frosé. It's beautiful. They're going to pair beautifully together. this is it right here. Hopefully you see it. I don't know what you're seeing. I can't see anything in my viewfinder because I am blind. I'm waiting on my bifocals. Hopefully they will be here soon. So this is what it looks like. It's a really beautiful color. And again, it goes beautifully with Tarte Frosé or NARS Orgasm, which I'm working on NARS. I think I'm working on both blushes. So yeah, that will definitely get some use. And again, goal is to finish. I've got two Super Shocks here. The first is Seismic. This was I in this? No, it couldn't have been in Colourpop. See this deck of painting. Was this in deck of painting or really? I don't remember, but my initial goal was to hit pan, and you can see that I've done that. My new goal is to finish it. So I don't know if I can do that in a year, but we're gonna give it a go because it's really beautiful. It is a little sparkly. I swear it doesn't come off that glittery on the face, or if it does, I just don't see it. But my goal is definitely going to be to try to finish that. And again, I will take pictures. I'm not going to weigh these. I'm not going to weigh them, but I will take pictures so we can see the progress. And the last item that is in to finish is this. Excuse me, this may look familiar to some of you. This is my Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in Flexitarian. I worked on this last year in Partners in Cream and made some really good progress. I almost have side pan. This is beautiful. Like, I would buy this again in a heartbeat if I needed to. If I needed a blush or a highlighter, I would buy it in a heartbeat. It's just a beautiful kind of like a pale, just pale, beautiful shade. I don't find it to be icy on me. Maybe it's icy for other people, but I absolutely love it. I think it's a beautiful color. I like this color more than Lunch Money. I know a lot of people love Lunch Money and Pan Lunch Money, but not it. Okay, so that is the last of my kind of use up. And the last one is going to be a usage goal. This is the Colourpop. I should have worn this today. This is the Colourpop Lip in Be Okay. And I am not okay. This has gone off. Is this a Ultra Satin Lip? I don't think they make this color anymore. I need to get on and look. But if you know someone who makes a color very similar that's not Ofra, I love it so much. If you watched my, shoot, what intro was that? It was the one where I had like a really like bold pink lip and I was wearing my hair down and I had like my Care Bear shirt on. This is the color that I was wearing. It's so beautiful, but this has gone off so much. And I know you're like, Misty, why are you even bothering? That's because I want to use it just a few more times. It didn't break me out. It didn't make me it didn't make my mouth feel weird or anything like that. And there's actually not a lot left in it. I'm just really like, you can see some windowing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's definitely some windowing. So there's not a whole bunch. Oh yeah, like I can make a big old hole with that. Maybe I'll take the stopper out and see how much I can scrape out. But yeah, so my goal is to get some more usage out of this. I don't know. I'm just going to use this until I'm like, I can't handle it anymore. So I know that's kind of a weird goal to have, but it's one that I want to, because again, I just love this color so much. If you didn't know, I love coral. You can't see any coral in here, but there's coral everywhere in my craft room and our master bedroom. So yeah, anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Whew, I'm going to get a little emotional. Nope, we're not going to do it. We're not going to do it, Misty. We're not going to do it. Man, that just hit me out of nowhere. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. If you are participating, please let me know in the comments. Make sure you're using the hashtag here and over on Instagram. I want to make sure that I can see you. I want to make sure that other people can find you. You do not have to be on social media to join this project. Do it at home if you want to. Use eyeshadows if you want to. I am really open-ended with my projects. If you didn't know, I also created one called That's Expensive Project Pan. You still are welcome to join that one. It just started in December. It's almost time for our first update, but jump on board. That's just use up your most expensive, whatever's most expensive in your collection. And I'm kind of the same way with this project. everybody has a different painting style, so pan the way you need to pan. So if you're gonna do every other month updates, that's cool. If you wanna update more often, if you wanna just do eyeshadows, it's completely up to you. Set your own goals, 3 to 6 projects. Products, I really want this to just be a kind of a relaxed and chilled kind of project, and I want us to get through some Colourpop. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I really do appreciate you. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.